Create high-quality blog content. Hi everyone, this is Tabitha from the Define Marketing Podcast, bringing you today's quick marketing tip. The benefits of blogging. Blogging improves search engine optimization. It establishes authority and engages your audience. By regularly publishing high-quality content, it can drive traffic to your website and build trust with your audience. Focus on topics that address your audience's pain points and interests. Use keyword research tools to identify relevant topics. Some strategies for creating your blog content is to use structured posts, so headings and subheadings to break up your content and improve readability. This helps readers quickly find the information they need and incorporate relevant keywords naturally into your content. Avoid keyword stuffing and focus on providing value. One of the effective solutions for blogging is to actually think about your pillars of content. So think about 4 main areas that you can help your client. And say, for example, once a week or once a month, obviously the more often the better, you're providing a blog post article on one of those 4 pillars. You are answering a pain point, fixing a question, or just really providing good quality content on how they can move forward. Creating high quality blog content can boost your SEO and engage your audience. So choosing those relevant topics, structuring your post well, and promote them consistently by sharing them on social media, adding them to your newsletter lists, or even talking about them on your podcast. Thanks for tuning into this quick tip. Stay tuned for more marketing insights from Define Marketing.